normalize changing your rice recipes. If you're used to making white rice every single time, try out this rice recipe and you'll absolutely fall in love. I also have lots of rice recipes you can check up here or in the description box for the rice recipes, which always turn out amazing. To make this delicious, flavorful turmeric rice, you'll need a few ingredients which are going to be very basic. So you'll need some long grain basmati rice, which is going to turn out fluffy and very delicious. Also, you need a few spices. I have some cardamon pods, black pepper pods. I have fresh garlic over here, which is going to add in lots of flavor to our rice, and also turmeric, cumin seeds, and salt. And to add in a very nice flavor, I'm going to be adding in a beef stock cube. You can also add in a chicken stock cube. So let's make this delicious rice recipe. So you're going to move over to the stove top and place a heavy bottom pot over medium high flame, and then you're going to be adding in cooking oil enough to cook your rice. For this recipe, I'm making rice for about 2 to 3 people. This is 1 cup of long grain basmati rice, so it's going to be a very easy recipe. The best part about the recipe is that you can double up or even triple to make for your entire family. Yes. You'll start off by toasting your whole spices, that is cardamom, black pepper pods, and cumin seeds. So to my pot, I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3 cardamom pods, and 5 black pepper corns. And as the spices are toasting, I'm going to be grating in some fresh garlic into the pot as well. Toasting is going to take around 30 seconds. Toasting the whole spices is going to make the turmeric rice very flavorful. So once you notice a popping sound and the garlic is browning, it's time to add in the rest of the ingredient, that is rice. So the next step will be to wash your rice. So you're going to wash the rice for around 2 times until the water runs clear. That is to get rid of the excess starch. You're going to transfer your rice into your pot. And over medium-high flame, you're going to be toasting your rice for around a minute. Make sure to break your beef stock cube. So as my rice is seasoning, I'm going to be adding in turmeric, because this is the main key ingredient for this recipe. So I'm going to be adding half a teaspoon of turmeric to my pot. And then I'm going to toast together with the rice for around a minute. Toasting the rice is going to add in a very nice smoky flavor. So once the rice is toasting, the rice is going to add in a very nice smoky flavor. So after a minute, you're going to be adding in your water. So because I added 1 cup of rice, I'm going to be using the same cup to measure my cup. So I'll be adding in 2 cups of water to my pot. Stir in the water, and because I added in a beef stock cube which contains salt, I'm going to wait for the water to come to a boil, and then I'm going to be checking the seasonings. You want the rice to be perfectly seasoned. So over high flame, you're going to wait for the water to come to a boil. Once the rice is well seasoned, you're going to let the rice cook until the water has evaporated. Once you can't notice any water, you're going to place your lid and simmer the rice for around 5 minutes. In those 5 minutes, the rice is going to cook slowly and the outcome is going to be perfectly cooked rice. So it has been 5 minutes and my rice is looking very delicious and it has a very nice vibrant yellow color. So using a fork, I'm going to fluff up my rice and the rice is just perfect. Once your rice is ready, you're going to serve yourself this flavorful and delicious turmeric rice, and it's going to be looking very perfect. As you can see, you can spot the whole spices, and also it has a very nice vibrant color, which I absolutely love. And also the rice has turned out just the way I wanted the rice to turn out, just perfect. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this easy rice recipe, which is going to be a norm in your house if you try out the recipe. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this easy rice recipe, which you're going to absolutely love because it will always turn out perfect.